looking a little bit different in this video because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I have this mint green. And this shit is a good, I want to say, I don't even know, like 28 inches. Because it's stopping at your girl's, like, basically my butt. And guess how much it was? Literally, this wig with the dye was less than $45, y'all. Less than $45 to get a really good quality synthetic wig. I don't know if I want to scream or shout, like whisper or shout this, because it's like crazy that this is so cheap. I wanted to get a human hair wig so bad. Like I was like gonna do the same process, dye like this. But then I was like, wow, I don't want to spend $200 on a fucking wig, like just to dye it and, you know, it fall apart like my other wig because something happened to the frontal. Like literally Amazon's it, y'all. Amazon's it. I even have another wig that I'm gonna review for you guys when I dye that one, because I have an idea for that one. It's another blonde wig. But this company, I'll explain everything in the video as I'm dyeing it, but basically I use fabric dye and dye this wig. But y'all, like this hair goes crazy. Like it just goes crazy. Like you would never be able to tell this is not human. And that's the thing. Like, and oh, the best part, how big this parting is. Like that's crazy. That's amazing. Also guys, I'm fucking sick. Like I'm literally so sick and I'm so mad. But had to get a video up for you guys. I did this dyeing shit before I got sick, so I really just wanted to have an intro for you guys to see what it looks like on my head. But yeah, so this is the wig. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, and the dye if you guys want to order it off of Amazon because it's cheaper to get off Amazon. The wig will be down below. And also I'm probably going to do an update for you guys like in a month or so, see how long this wig has lasted me. Guys, like just the way I'm just brushing through it right now. There's like no shedding. My fingers can run through it. It feels so silky. It doesn't look too like shiny as if it's synthetic. Like and the dye didn't do anything to the hair, but probably make it just better. Anyways, long intro. Be sure to follow my social media links down below, subscribe, and turn on my notification bell for more videos like this. And if you guys want to see how to get this wig, then let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright y'all, so I'm using this Ritz dye in Peacock. It's the synthetic version. Make sure that you have the synthetic version of the Ritz dye. Then I'm using some fabric softener, a couple of tools, and my A to Z wigs off of Amazon. The link will be in the description, you guys. And it's about 28 inches, 26 to 28 inches. And it's 613 hair. Don't know too much about the lace, but it lays pretty nice when you melt it down. So yeah, so now I'm filling up a pot of water so we can go ahead and boil this, because something that's a little bit different when boiling or dyeing synthetic hair, you really need some hot boiling water. So I'm just doing a couple of test strands right here till I got my desired color, and then I took the boiling hot water off of the burner and mixed the dye in there. I mixed about half the bottle. And then I just dip dyed my wig in there until I was ready to completely submerge it in there. And as you guys can see, it's pretty light because I added about half of the bottle, like no more, no less. So if you want it to be more vibrant, make sure you add more dye. And if you want less vibrant, to add less dye. Another thing I realized is I should have just make sure every strand was getting the dye on there. Here's me failing at life, of course, and getting this on the stove. Okay, I'm about to take this out actually. I need a bowl.
Oh, it's gonna melt it.
Oh shit. So anyway, yeah, don't do that, but we're gonna go to the bathroom and we're turning on cool to warm water onto this wig. And now I'm using a neutralizing blonde shampoo or something like that, conditioner, and the fabric softener, and just putting it into my sink and just submerging my wig in there and sloshing it around until it's just like all coated in
the conditioner, shampoo, and the fabric softener. This just helps the wig become really soft. It gives it a really great smell, and the fabric softener just makes it easier for, it's like a detangler for synthetic wigs basically. And then I left it in there for about 8 minutes. Once I took it out, I decided to brush through it to see how it was doing and looking, and I was like loving the color. Like, it was just a perfect light color, and I think it's because the 613 hair was just a really good color to begin with. But now I'm just blow drying it, which I was scared to do at first, but then I realized I'm straightening this hair, so blow drying is not going to do anything. And this is the part where I think this helped the wig a lot, because it just got really soft after this, like softer than it came out the bag. So I just blew dried it, and now I'm just brushing through it, and this is how it looked completely dry and without being straightened. So it looks really good straight, like naturally straight. And it's just such a light pastel color. Like, I just love it, and the parting is just crazy. And I didn't tell you guys that this is a 13 by 6 inch lace parting space, so like you can move the parting wherever you like, which is even great, which is even better. Now I'm straightening out the wig a little bit, and I'm just showing you guys how silky it gets. I mean, it just gets completely silky when you straighten it, especially after the fabric softener. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like when it's completely straight, and I just fell in love with this wig. I can't wait to do different colors and stuff like that, because you can just get a lot of different fabric dyes and dye it. But yeah, this is how it turned out, and I love it, and I hope you guys try it out and let me know how it works out for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.